Hi, in today's video, we are going to look over how to do cross-module filtering in Zoho CRM. So if we head over to contacts module, I'll show you how it's done in contacts module. And on the left-hand side here, are the filters that we're going to be using. So if we do it by, there's filter by fields, or filter by related modules. Let's do this filter by related modules. Now, if I select cases, and let's select deals. So the cases here would show me all the contacts, any contacts that are with any cases and any contacts that have any deals. And if you click here, apply filter. So as you can see, there's only one contact that has a case and a deal. Now we can play around with this, remove the tick, and let's just see how many there are with cases. So you can see there are two contacts that include cases. Now to filter this further, what we can do is there's this within cases, we can do an add field, and in here we can select by field. So if I do type field in case, so if I just select type field, if the type is feature request, so I want to look at all the contacts with any cases where type is feature request, and I will filter this. Okay, it looks like both of these cases are feature request. We can change this further. Select like if it's a problem. Let's do problem. So it looks like there's no contact with type that is a problem. So you can, it's up to you. You can select all of them and do an apply filter and select deals module and apply the filter further. And so it will show you further the outcome. That's all for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more tutorials like this. Or if you have any Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstarIT.com. Thanks for watching.